and welcome back to another video. So today we'll go to Diagon Alley. So as you know, the Diagon Alley in Universal Orlando is a very famous tourist attraction. So this is located in the Universal Studios Florida, so which is the main amusement park. So basically the entire Harry Potter adventure, like the Potter world, is divided into two parts. One is located in Universal Florida Orlando and the other one is located in Islands of Adventure.
I'll get a video here of the entrance of Fast and Furious. I don't care. Fuck that.
Yes.
This part is supposed to be like San Francisco, but I'm not doing that. Alright, we are here at Diagon Alley. Almost highway.
Good morning. Welcome to London. Enjoy your day here in
Thank
London.
you. This should have been over. Okay, I'll do it.
So the Universal Orlando operates from 9 a.m. in the morning to 9 p.m. in the evening with an early entry of 8 a.m. That is for select members only, whoever books hotels within the Universal Studios Orlando. So we went there at around 8:30 or close to 9 o'clock in the morning. So at that time the rush is a bit less. So Diagon Alley is hidden actually, so you won't just like that see it. So on day one when we went to Universal Florida, we could not locate it actually. So it is located near to the King's Cross station. So that is the station from where you board the ride to Hogsmeade. That is the Hogwarts Express which you board to Hogsmeade. So it is just located beside that, inside a building, inside a red building actually. So if you don't know or if you don't look around, then there is a good chance that you'll miss it. So just opposite to Diagon Alley, you'll see the night bus. But the thing is that if you ask anybody around, like the guides and everyone, they won't tell you where Diagon Alley is located. They'll just tell you that there is just the Hogwarts Express and the night bus over there. So you need to find the entrance to Diagon Alley on your own. Once you enter, it is like exactly as mentioned as in book. So it is as real as it can get, like with every shops and every details which is which they have captured, and the accuracy is really mind-boggling.
You should be fine for what? Sitting?
No, for this one.
There's like one small drawing. It's not even
So do watch out for the dragon, means because every 10 minutes you can see fire come out of the dragon's mouth, like exactly it, as in movie, whatever they show in movie and book, it is exactly similar to that. So inside the Gringotts bank, so firstly, to go inside the Gringotts bank, you'll have to secure your backpacks and all, like, you know, items in locker. You can carry your mobile, but apart from that, it's better to, like, you know, put all your things in locker. So there are lockers available, and after that you can enter into the line. So you can see that there is a queue, and the wait time is around 120 minutes more or less, always, like during peak time. So once you enter, you can actually see the Gringotts, and the theme is, as I said, as I mentioned earlier, is very similar to the Gringotts that they have mentioned in movies. So it is green in color, and they have used various hues of greens and gold. Look at the line. So once you enter the main hall of Gringotts, like wherever they show the Bellatrix Lestrange, like wherever, like, you know, Hermione disguises as Bellatrix Lestrange and she enters the Gringotts, so it is exactly similar to that scene, and it is really very, like, you know, accurate. I couldn't like, you know, believe that it was not real, like it was mechanical.
Opposite the end of the corridor, where an assistant will prepare you for your first visit to the vaults.
Process, the way, like, you know, Gringotts work, it is very similar. Okay, so after that you'll find various small details, like Harry Potter like is wanted, and all those details you'll find, like no muggles allowed, like that. And also you'll see that like, you know, that newspaper and everything, and the figures move in newspaper, like the pictures. So it is exactly similar to that of the movie, and they have used those display screens.
The oldest wizarding families have stored their valuables here for centuries.
To ensure the safety and security of homes. If you have any background on the side prior to experiencing this attraction, please see.
Mud bloods and everything.
Accio keys. How did you get in here? We have to
Don't let me keep you from your tour. I just need to pick up a few things and I'll be on.
So the winding staircase will lead up to a lift, like, you know, but there is no way of telling whether it is a real lift or it's just, like, you know, it's just in one place and they're just playing with motion. So there is no way to say. And like, you know, it is the lift similar to Gringotts, which moves, like, you know, which you feel like is moving forward and upward, and you don't really realize that what the lift is doing. So after the lift, the main ride opens, and it is similar to the one which they showed in movie. That is, there is a track, and there are coaches, and you get inside, and it is, after that it is fully 3D. So since it is a 3D experience and you're not allowed to take your baggage and everything, so you can't really record what happens over there, and the photography, videography is not encouraged inside the ride. So if you do go to Universal Florida, do check out the ride. It's a once in a lifetime kind of adventure, and especially for Potterheads, you can't miss out on this ride.
Journey to the Bulls as a high-speed roller coaster ride, and it to be quite an extraordinary.
So there is actually an umbrella which is just next to washroom, so you can actually, like, you know, make the water fall from the umbrella and everything using the interactive wand. You can use this wand in Hogsmeade also to do a couple of things, like, you know, moving figures here and there in Honeydukes and etc. So you can also spot Ollivanders over there. So so it is like you can buy interactive wands from that shop. So that shop you can find, like, you know, a long line over there because people want to buy the interactive wand. So basically with the interactive wand you can play around and, like, you know, make things move. So Diagon Alley has the Weasley Wizarding Weasel's shop, which is like, once you enter the alley you actually see that, and it is unmissable, like it's in orange and everything. So do visit the shop even if you don't buy anything from it, because it is exactly a carbon copy of the movie, and you can actually see cauldrons, and it is actually storied and everything. So it is very, like, you know, beautiful.
Like, hey, I got this idea, maybe we can do this.
Oh, then it's fine. Then video kore chole di. What? Oh, decoy detonator. Wow. Just a friendly reminder, do like, share and subscribe to this video. So stay tuned for the Hogsmeade video, which I'll be releasing next, and also the Universal Florida video, which covers the other rides which you can do.
First, lay her down.